as the time now, let me show how you can upload a video to your channel. So the first one is choosing your browser. In case of my computer, I'm using the Chrome browser. So in Chrome, you can directly open your browser, then using URL youtube.com, or directly using the shortcut appearing at the left top corner. So go to your channel and left click and using YouTube Studio, then your dashboard channel appears. So at the right top corner there's an arrow indicating to top, that is uploading a video. So drag and drop your video here, select the position of your video, then drag and drop at Chrome browser. Let me select as this one. So I get my video and I directly drop my video to my Chrome browser, that is my dashboard. Yeah, so the system directly filters its content, and all the next steps will appear. The first one is writing the title of your video, the second is the description and terminal other steps. So now I'm typing about the description of this video. As it will be shown, it is about a problem which you can encounter while using a software ANSYS. This ANSYS workbench software is actually a mechanical software. This is used for simulation especially. So this is a problem which may occur while using an operation or while opening the software after some time. So and this is the description part, is the most essential part of an activity while uploading your video. So all activities or tasks which will be shown or illustrated or narrated in your YouTube, in special in your video, will be stated in the description part. Try to briefly explain what it's gonna be shown in your video. So most of the time viewers directly go to the description part and understand what will be stated. So you are advised to write precise and more attractive content in the description part. And the first one is title. Try to give a good indicating precise and attractive title for your video, which is which is a good means, or a good means of attracting our customers, which are our viewers. So try to attract or creating a good picture in mind of your subscriber or viewers. So I directly typed my title, and that was terminal is the short section of your video, or it can be an image showing the basic task which will be done in your video. So I used an image showing a problem which will be solved. Then the next one is determining your audience, whether it is made for kids or not. So it is good to determine. Then the other one is allow automatic changes. You can click or unclick, allow payment promotion. Then add tags. Tags are actually the essential part of this activity, because these are things or keywords to easily obtain your video for anyone. So anyone directly typing those words will easily get your video. So try to include good, precise and to the point words for your video. The other one is are necessary but not essential parts. These are recording rates and your location and other things. So I'll try my recording date, and this October 14. And the next is the video location, and you can click or unclick this one, allow people, and determining the category of your video, whether it is entertaining, comedy, educational, science and technology, and others. Specify so that it can be easily viewed in paper. So the next one is I'll use in the video. I will include in video elements, so you can click the next section. So in the next section, you are asked to include in subtitles. That means if this video is displayed in another language, you can add translated language in subtitles at the bottom of your page or your video, or you can next. Then as one as checkers, it will be checked in the administrator whether it violates the it is a rule. For example, claim, rights of claim, or it is kids or not. And the next one is the visibility. So in this visibility, you're gonna determine whether it is for private or public. So you have to choose these options. This is a channel, so a public channel, it is to be viewed by the public. So, and the other one is adjusting or determining time plan schedule. You can select the time to be displayed in your audience. The last section is publishing, so it is directly uploaded to your channel. So you can get this video and all uploaded video lists in your dashboard. So when I close this one, I got this video, just it is uploaded in my YouTube channel. So this tutorials my channel. Now this video is just at the top of all videos because it is uploaded at the last. So you can the last is you can edit whether any changes necessary. So you can go to analytics. So in video analytics, you can check the number of views, subscribers, likes, and other things. The video description, so you can increase more illustrations of the video. So you can click edit video. You can edit anything you like which is to be included in the video. So as you can understand, or as you can see, this one you can add more things, for example, in the description part. So let me include something in the description part. So subscribe to watch more videos, like and comment and such like, or you can add more social platforms, for example, in links showing you Facebook, in Skype, in Telegram, and others. So these are just to be included in the description part. Thank you for watching. I hope it is important. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you watch, and I hope you return in short time to my new video.